Hello children, standard 3rd subject English, lesson number 32, the Noble Stag. Dear children, please open your English textbook page number 69 and you also read with me. As we all know, King Brahmadatta of Banaras was extremely fond of hunting. Luckily for him, on the outskirts of the city was a herb forest filled with deer. Among them there was a mighty stag. Outskirts means the outer parts of a city or town. One fine day the king had gone hunting with his coteries. He told his coteries, "If you follow even a single deer scalp, I will punish you severely." Coteries means person at the court of a king. So the coteries formed a tight circle from which no deer could escape. Then they began to beat their sticks on the ground to frighten the deer hiding in the bushes and to make them run. The only way out of their circle was through a small clearing, where the king stood ready with his bow and arrows. The coteries were beating their sticks on the ground and shouting when suddenly a stag leaped out of a thicket. Thicket means thick growth of shrubs and plants. The stag saw that the king was standing in the way. So he looked the king straight in the eye and made a dash towards him. The king was taken aback and shot an arrow towards the stag hurriedly. Of course he missed the marks, but the stag rolled over. Now there is one thing that you must know about the stag. It has excellent instincts and is extremely good at dodging arrows whether shot at from the back, front or even the stalk. Dodging means moving aside quickly to avoid an arrow blow, etc. If an arrow is at his belly, it pretends to roll over and then jumps up and runs once the danger has passed. So when the stag rolled over, the king thought that his arrow had found its mark. He lowered his bow and began to walk towards the stag. But the stag suddenly jumped off and shot past the men. When the coteries realized that the king had been mistaken, they started to laugh. Now the king thought himself to be an excellent marksman and could not bear the taunts of his men. Marksman means a person skilled in shooting, in hitting a target. He grabbed his sword and set off into the forest in order to catch the stag. He chased the stag for quite a while and covered a long distance. The stag came upon a hole in the ground that was covered by a rotting tree and filled with slime. From a distance it could smell the dirty water and so was careful not to run over it. But the king could not sense the pit and fell right into it. After a while the stag realized that he was not being followed any longer. He understood that the king had perhaps fallen into the pit. So the stag went back to the pit and saw the king struggling for his life. The stag felt very sorry for the king. He decided to save the king's life even though the king was following him with the intention to kill him. The stag told the king not to worry and to be brave for a while longer. He then caught a hug rock with his hind legs and lowered himself into the pit. The king caught hold of his neck and the stag climbed out onto the level ground and carried the king to safety. The king thanked to noble stag again and asked him to return with him to Banaras, where he could have anything and everything he wanted. But the stag did not want anything in the return for his help. He just requested to keep the rule wisely and well and be kind to animals. Then the noble stag disappeared into the forest. King Brahmadatta then would not be hunt or hunt any animal. Do you understand, children? Good.